Hey everyone, do you ever spend hours stuck on what colors to use for your next design, presentation, or a project? Yeah, same. So I built this tool inside Transcribe to fix that. Introducing Color Palette Generator. You can start with any hex color you like and boom, it generates a matching color palette instantly. Or no idea where to start? Just hit this random button and get a fresh combos on the spot, or even upload an image and it will pull out the key colors for you. Let me show you now. As soon as I uploaded image, it will instantly extract the colors by clicking on them. You can even copy it to your clipboard. If you want to exclude or include hashtags in the hex color, you can just toggle this button. From here you can delete the image, and if you want to get a specific color which is not in here, you can just move your cursor around and it will change the current color to that. Instantly you can see the respective color palette has been changed, starting from the main color to darker shade and below to the lighter shade. From here you can even see as I clicking on the image, it is instantly picking up those colors and generating a proper palette. As I have already uploaded single image, so you can see my credit has been deducted from 90 to 89. If you like this color palette, now to download it, you can hit this button and download it in various formats. It is very perfect if you want your design to match a photo or a brand vibe. Now, if you are just getting more stuck, there is a explore section as well. Here is the color combination of the different color palette which is curated very nicely. You can just copy the color, it will be copied, and you can even paste in here and hit enter, so it will generate the color palette for that copied color. Choosing colors doesn't have to be much stressful, so that's why using Transcribe you get up color palettes for your next brand idea in seconds. Try it free at transcribe.in. Thanks for watching. I'll show you next feature of Transcribe in my next video.